Welcome to episode 27. Thinking whether you know what this one's about. 27 is chili. Spice up your life. Chili. Oh my God, what would we be without chili? So I'm going to read to you a little bit and we're going to talk. A relationship without chili is like having no spice in your life. No taste buds happening in the palate. I love chili. You can make up your own chili paste, which will preserve in your fridge for months. That's on the next one. We're going to make our own chili paste and I'll show you in the fridge, and you will never buy dried chili again, ever. You will just get fresh chili and you will make it up yourself, and you won't buy dried chili ever again. Not once you've tasted this. Homemade chili paste is so rewarding because you've made it. That's why. You've made it. And it empowers you in your kitchen. You feel so much better because every time you're about to get that, you think, your brain thinks, I made that. And you feel really good about yourself. You know that what you've put into it, this gives you so much satisfaction and is empowering. Adding a little bit of chili into vegetables, into your meat, into sauces. Not too much, just a little bit. When I make a pasta nera from the calamari, the black squid ink, I have to add just a spice of chili, just a spice. You have got no idea. It raises the bar. It sets your palate going. It sets it dancing. All of a sudden, I want to have another teaspoon, a tablespoon. I want another, have a fork. I want to enjoy that. And then you put the cheese on top. Oh, just beautiful. Our next one, we're going to make our own chili paste. I'm so excited. I hope you've enjoyed just this little bit of just a spice and enjoying a little bit of chili, incorporating that into your cooking. Just a little bit. See you on the next one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Arrivederci, ci vediamo. Ciao.